what are coprocessors and zk coprocessors?
zk coprocessor is a fundamental prover that Lagrange builds that was developed in-house that allows us to prove SQL-based computation over blockchain data. Think about it like Dune analytics, but verifiable. Instead of you consuming that data off-chain in a dashboard, your contract can read it, interpret it, and use it for core business functions. And this is something that we think is this next step to evolve DeFi and evolve really what it is to build on-chain applications. So if you want to build a yield-bearing token today, you'd have to accumulate state over how long a user held an asset. You'd have to determine whether or not that asset has been, what percentage of the total supply is made up, and determine the reward rate per block. And there's a lot of computation you'll have to do in your contract. And because of that, over a range of blocks, you can't do it really in Solidity. What you have to do is find a way to find some approximation of it. And this creates these inefficient standards, like the Sushi Master Chef contract or the one in Farming Pool contract that really need an evolution. A next way it can be done that is more secure and more expressive. And so we're working with protocols like Gearbox on this to really define new standards for DeFi on-chain that uses zk. And then also, we can talk about the work that we do with EtherFi, a protocol I'm sure you're familiar with. That's an LRT on eigenlayer that does verifiability over how they do cashback for their credit card. Right? You have an on-chain credit card, right? If we're moving the whole banking system on-chain, we're going to need credit cards that people can use.